Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to unmatch with someone on Bumble. So the process is quite straightforward, so let's jump into the video. Tap open Bumble application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're signed into Bumble, from the main homepage, tap on the chat bubble at the bottom right corner. Here in this page, you will be able to see the list of people that you've started your conversation with or matched with. Select the contact you would like to unmatch with from the list. And then tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner from your conversation page. In the pop-up at the bottom, look for the option to unmatch. Simply tap on the unmatch button and Bumble will then ask you to confirm your decision to unmatch. Tap on Unmatch once again and you will then be able to unmatch someone on Bumble. That is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.